Hello, hi, it's Liz here, and it's Monday, so that means it's time for the Margarete Miller collage prompts assignments. We're at number 19 and number 4, because I'm still catching up, but that's only after this week, 3 weeks to go in my catch up. So number 4 is numbers. So I've got my number stamp. Graph lined paper, I've got some lined paper. An art scrap, I've got a piece of jelly plate print. A book page, I have a book page from Great Expectations, very posh. An old sticky note. Try as I might, I couldn't find an old sticky note. Obviously I'm too tidy and they all go in the bin. So I'm going to use the bonus, which is instructions. And I have a magazine here. And I'm going to go to the middle pages and get instructions on how to make a card. Because, let's see where the middle is, because it's one of my articles. There's little old me, Liz Maguire, because I don't know if you know, but I take commissions from card making magazines. I've been doing that for many years for practical publishing. So I'm going to cut out these instructions. And yeah, that's what we'll do for our instructions. So we'll just get this page and we'll just use, let's move the book to the side for the moment and get these instructions. I used to, at the start, about, oh golly, 10 years ago, I used to keep all the magazines that I was in. But oh my goodness, once you get used to it and you think, oh, you know, I'm not sure that I want to keep all these magazines, because we couldn't get the car in the garage because there was so many magazines in the garage. And then hubby said, why don't you take out the articles that you're in and just keep them? But then that just became too cumbersome, and then I just had to let it go. I was like, this isn't happening. Now I just need a little bit of that, because it was just too many. At the beginning you think, oh, this is just a one-off, and then it turned out it wasn't. So it's lovely to do, it really is. It's quite a thing to be asked to write the articles for the magazine. I enjoy it. So let's get back to this. Number graph lined paper, we have our art scrap. Maybe there, maybe just a little bit. I always like to overlap things. Right, so that's 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's just the numbers that we have to stamp. So let's think, where are we going to stamp our numbers? I think I might stamp them on the lined paper. I think that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to stamp them on this. Got my ink pad. I won't bother putting them on an acrylic block because I'm just going to roughly stamp. The bit you see is up here. There we are. Ah, that looks cool. Just move that to the side. Get the book back in the middle. And we'll slide that back into there. Yay! Okay, numbers, lined paper, art scrap, book page, and I'm using the bonus instead of the sticky note, which is instructions. Right, let's get them stuck down. Stick this down first. And what was next? Okay, expectations was next. So this is Monday. Well, you'll be watching it on Monday, but for me sitting here doing it, I do it on a Sunday. Let's see, where was that? Because I wanted that. Yeah, so it's actually Sunday, and so it's Sunday. Is it there and there? Yeah, that'll do. Okay, so Sunday and yesterday, Saturday, I get confused because these videos go out in different days. You'd think it would be easy. Saturday, I got to 500 subscribers. Wow. Oh, I was sitting Saturday night and I had my phone beside me. And Willie, my husband, says, go on, check. You know you want to. Go on, have a look. I was like, okay then. And it was 500. I was like, oh, is it 500? Oh my goodness. Imagine that. 500 subscribers. So I've got a little giveaway which I'll be posting today, which is Sunday. So yeah, so if you're watching this on Monday or any time after Monday, please have a look down the videos for the giveaway. Right, I think that's us. Numbers, art scrap, book page, instructions. So there we have it. That's all right, quite pleased with that. So let's jump to 19. And 19 is a portion of a food or drink label, a postcard or a letter or a portion of, an advertisement, something with wheels, money, and the bonus is something blue. So I have my little bundle here, and I have a portion of a food and drink label, which is from a bottle of Drambuie. Postcard or letter. So I have this postcard from a friend in the States, but it is too big, I think. Even if I cut it down, it's going to be quite overwhelming. So I've got this little piece of tissue, which is a kind of pretend postcard, which I think I might use instead of the big postcard. We'll see. Maybe put it that way round. And then we've got postcard there and postcard there. So an advertisement, I've got this little snippet from a magazine, a vintage magazine, Dougal's Self-Raising Flower. Something with wheels. I've got this little monkey on his little scooter. And money, I've got an old Monopoly money, which tickled me a wee bit for money. So let's see what we can do with this, because I'll want this monkey to be sat on something. Maybe the bottom of the money. Yeah, he can sit on the bottom of the money, and then we'll get the advertisement in somewhere. Maybe just at the back there. What do I think? I think so. Right, let's lift that off like that, and we'll get this piece of tissue down. So yes, so thank you so much everyone. Who would have believed 500 so soon? I'm absolutely over the moon. So I want to do a wee thank you. So that will be going on today. A little gift to someone. Right, get this on. So I'm not at work tomorrow, it's a bank holiday. So I've got a little Monday off. I'm saying tomorrow, but this isn't going out tomorrow, so that'll be today. See, it's like filming these on a different day is like time travel. I feel like Doctor Who. Speaking about tomorrow today, oh my goodness. Right, so, oh, should we have put that in behind there? Was that supposed to go next? Let's quickly get that in there. It's lucky the, oh no, maybe it goes in the top, eh? Yes, let's just put it in the top, because then, oh, now I'm all over. There we are. There. You can still see that it's an advert. And we'll put the Monopoly money down the bottom. Like that. Yes. Just put that in the middle. Maybe need to put some more glue on that, given that I peeled it back up again. There we are. This is from my book of extraordinary things to cut out in collage. It never fails to give you something you need for these. There we are. There's these wheels. I was going to do a car or a train because they're in the book as well, but then I turned the page and there he was. Thought that'll do. Cheeky monkey. So there we are, quite like that. Number 19. Bit different. So 18, and there's 17 with the little flap. 16, I quite like 16, but my favourite is still number 10. Yes. I don't know what it is. I don't know whether it's because he's standing and his feet are perfectly placed for the big shoe, I don't know what it is about that, but that's my favourite one still. But I have enjoyed doing them all. I quite like this. And that's quite minimal, isn't it? And then that one last week. And then another one today. So, yeah. So there we are. So that's us for the prompts. And don't forget, join in the giveaway. Leave a comment on the giveaway video. And I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye now.